Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Ford F100 two-wheel drive truck. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we got the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms, fully adjusted and set. We have these real nice Ford Racing black valve covers with a matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetors on there, brass freeze plugs, painted the gloss black, the engine, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure hookup, high flow fuel pump, inline gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line up to the carburetor, proper oil pan for the 69 F100 truck, front sump oil pan. Customer's running a T5 transmission. We put the proper Bellhousing on there, supplied the transmission bolts, ram clutches in there, fully aligned and set, throwout bearing, clutch fork set up, high torque mini starter, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all the vertical wire looms up to the distributor set, PCV valve, heavy duty Russell ventilation line to the carburetor, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups, electric choke wire, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the thermostat housing in there, thermostats installed, bypass hose, this beautiful polished Raptor pulley kit, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, the self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. Every engine is tested for over 45 minutes. We set the timing, we adjust the carburetor. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. So it'll be complete, turnkey, ready to go, right out of the crate. So there you have it again, our 302 Ford custom built 350 horsepower engine for you. Thanks for watching.